All right, Chapter 7. Other design consideration. Water source. All treatment systems will require a reliable source of training. Central vehicle washing facility initially make up the regardless of the form of secondary system. Finding where the water will depend on the type of the wash facility, the type of configuration, treatment system frequency, for the local loss and local climate. If the recyclable system is rather the designer must determine the most feasible economical method of filling system initially for the maintaining the water level in the system. Adding makeup of the water over the makeup of the water that required the restore of the system on working level of the water is carried off the vehicles allowed or lost to evaporation or over spray. Additional source of the makeup of the water should be added to the water supply basin if provided. This water should be uncontaminated, releasable. Reasonably clean and should not require treatment before introducing it into the system. All of the water available to the installation should be considered to be used singly only with a combination source of the water. So the essential vehicle washing facility including dedicated wild surface water and tapping existing potable water source to capture rain water. All right. 7.1.1 type of facility. The wash facility with the pre-wash required with the makeup of the water with the facility with the only wash station makeup the increased water loss of the vehicle carry out the overspray of the evaporation washer loss of the carry out can be as high as 100 gallons per vehicle. Loss due to overspray evaporation could be as high as 10% of the water cannons and 5% of the hose of the wash stations. 7.1.2 type of configuration treatment system. The type of configuration treatment system. Another factor to consider the main value of the makeup of the water require the discharge system will require the total charge water to demand with include makeup of the typically developed the water source. In the recycle system only with water loss overspray evaporation water air will carry out the need to replace the water source of the treatment system due to the system basin that have the large surface area with the integrated water loss due to the evaporation of these basic water small surface area with the loss increase the volume of the makeup of the water is required with the discussed below climate. The evaporation rate is installation must be considered for the calculation of the volume of the makeup of the water needed to maintain the total demand of the volume of the rainfall. With the installation of the wells maintain wells amount of loss of evaporation should be calculated to determine the volume of the water needed. The water source of the water balance computation should be performed by the designer to ensure adequate supply of the water throughout the entire wash season. Piping wastewater should be evacuated with the gravity water when possible economically. Pumping should be avoided because of the residual oils becoming emulsified to scream. Difficult to remove the solid cover of the wear of the pump. The pumps addition as significant capital operating cover the facility of the conveyance of the water gravity sewers. The opening channel that must be constructed with the grave that will provide adequate scoring of the velocity to prevent the solid deposition pipe. All pumps designed to do peak hydraulic solid loadings include the contribution stormwater runoff of the hard stem, the cover the external with the internal beef of the cover the accessibility. Piping system must be durable, leakage and infiltration. All out with the normal associated with the gravity pipe should not be used with the gravity line. So it should be watertight. Other factors such as soil corrosion and freezing protection need to be addressed. Also, open channel should be used whenever the possible ease the main if the sitting problem of the surface slope of the making opening channel flow impractical. The designer should use the large diameter pipes. Locate manholes each change of the slope of the direction of each of the pipe intersection. Design long straight the section of the pipe to minimize the number of the manholes required. All frequently operated buried valves should be accessible through pits or manholes. 7.3 hose water and cannons. The hoses must be used to the size be of the size of the wave the person can handle, but yet durable enough to withstand abuse of repetitive vehicle traffic, internal abrasion fines, and water nozzles. Water cans undergo similar treatment to the industry lacking equipment that can stand up under the continuous use of given again vehicle washing facility. But therefore, designer must also be very selective with selecting hose, water can, and nozzle. All right, 7.4 control system. Processing control of the central vehicle washing facility may be very complex. Contract who has never seen the washing facility material specification control of their stand with the logic of the control system. Special design is very important. The design clearly describe the plan with the specification how the components are in junction. The system operation manual. Complete manual should be prepared with the designer describing the various of the component of the central vehicle central washing facility with how the design to be used. The manual should be established in operation, including staff schedule, safety records, keeping other operational responsibility. All control system should be illustrated step-by-step instruction, provide for no other standard procedures, but they also special procedure. The manual should also establish maintenance responsibility elements of the central vehicle washing facility. Preventing maintenance will be performed by operators told for use of the main available along with the same parts of the critical item. The training of the operator is very important. Provided them with a written document previously described and start with the best training can be done through the hands-on operation of the instruction of the designer. The amount of the training time will depend on the complexity of the central vehicle washing facility where it has pre-wash, whether the recycled water system for the simplicity vehicle washing facility training could be accomplished in 1 day. The more complex the training period could be up to a week. That was Chapter 7. Chapter 8. Decentralized washing facilities.